illustrating or demonstrating a three-dimensional depiction on a two-dimensional surface, primarily if you're using a regular, and I just drew it. So I'm actually quite proud of myself to just draw this from. So ambiguity means indecisiveness. There's a reason why they have different shades, because I realized with this particular pencil I couldn't get the darkness I needed. You know, if you understand chakra, there's a correlation between art and chakra, metaphorically and analogically, and that is your root chakra tends to ground you. With art now, darkness tends to ground the object, and light tends to make the object pop. So hence the reason when we're looking at what we see in here is the light is reflected from this angle. So so this is where we get into and I just drew it. So I'm actually quite proud of myself to just draw this from. So ambiguity means indecisiveness, illustrating or demonstrating a three-dimensional depiction on a